Okay, this is Num Num and Chop Chop's. Chop Chop, which is this one here. Chop Chop! Alright. Your sister's trying to steal your thunder. This is the one that we are wanting to give away. I can't really tell how old she is. But they still have their long tails. Num Nums! Hello! So Chop Chop is the one who will be giving away. Here with the brown, I was going to say brown eyes, but brown around the eyes. That's how we're able to tell the difference between Num Num and Chop Chops. And just come around. Actually, it's time for a feed, which is why they keep following me around. So they think they're going to be fed. Hello. Come on. Good dog. Num Num, go away. Stop trying to steal your brother's thunder. Come on. Chop Chop. Chop Chop. Hello. 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 And the date today is the 9th of January. Oh, sorry, it's the 10th. Come here, come on. So just to give you an idea of how big Chop Chop is. Hello, come here, come on. Okay, thanks, bye.